How to change the back plate on the Glock. Alright, weapon's clear. Slide this off. You're gonna need a small like Allen key or something similar. Push this piece right here up. This piece is kind of sticking out. So just push that up a little bit and there's gonna be like a little black piece right here. A gap basically. You stick this Allen key in that gap and use it to push down on that spring while you keep your thumb covering this, but you kind of slide it off, but keep your thumb there at the same time. I'm gonna show y'all, but I can't really explain it as I do it. Just watch. It's a spring under there, so you don't want the spring to pop out. And then, voila. Put that down. Put it on. You can take your finger off it once you stop it. You got it completely off. To put it back, simple too. This is the original that came on my gun. Basically, there's two pieces right here, this and this. You just gotta use your Allen key to push them down as you slide the piece up. I'm gonna show you real quick. Just set it in place. Kind of stand it up. Just be careful. You don't want to mess your gun up, but I doubt it. Just push down on them both until it slides into place.